Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Today video is about the CV, or you can call it resume. So the CV plays a vital role in your selection. If your CV creates a great impact on the selection committee, they will definitely give you the admission letter, or they will definitely give you the chance of an admission. It doesn't depend that how much competent you are. The thing that depend is that how you present, or you present yourself, and how much are you confident in yourself. Confidence is the key to get success. So today we will be talking about the main points here. CV or resume. Make sure your CV in such a way Make your CV in such a way that your background studies match with the program in which you are applying. For example, if you have done your PS in theoretical physics and you want to apply to experimental physics, there is a lot of chances that your application may be rejected because you haven't studied the experimental physics, so it will be new for you and will be difficult for you, and even the committee or the staff will find it difficult to get you suitable for this program. So please make sure that if you are applying for the experimental physics, so you also create your CV in such a way that all the projects, all the background thesis work are related to the experimental physics. So please note it down. This is the biggest and important point for many universities. I have seen University of Bologna, I have seen University of Pisa there in Italy, I have seen universities in China, universities in Turkey. All around the world, these things matter a lot. When your BA studies and BA's background match with the applied program, for example the master program that you are applying in, so you will definitely get a positive response. And same for the bachelor's, sorry, not for the bachelor's, and same for the PhD students. For the bachelor's, there is I think they have 2 or 3 major subjects. Like one is mathematics, the second is biology, and the third one is computer science. So if you have this background, you can choose accordingly your PS programs. So please make sure that you will make your CV in europass format. I will provide the link of europass in the description section. Europass CVs are acceptable all over the world. If you create an europass CV, you can also remove the europass logo in there, and make sure to include these following points one by one. This will increase your chances and it will look professional. I personally use these points, and alhamdulillah I have got about 80% of application responses in a positive manner. So first of all, you will include the about me section. It must be in 3 to 4 lines and it must look professional, that in which organization you are applying and what will be the professional thinking of you, what will you do for their benefit and for your benefit and for the benefit of the society involved. And the other thing that you must include there is your address or permanent address or your mailing address. Also include your active mail and your cell phone number, and if you have LinkedIn, please include that also. And if there are other supporting things, you can also include there. So the number second point is that you will include your educational background. If your CGPA is good enough, that is, if it is more than 75%, you can include that. or even if you have 70% of marks, you can include it there. But remember, do not include the higher school education and the education below the higher school. Just include BS if you are applying for MS, and include MS if you are applying for PhD. But it is different for the bachelor student. If you want to study in bachelor's, please include your higher school education and your lower one. Number third is, in the same section you will include your major subject study. For the bachelor student, please include the major subjects that you have studied in your high school education. And for the for the student who want to apply for the MS, should include the major subjects that you have studied in your bachelor's. And for the PhD, please include the major subject that you have studied in your master's. Then include your work experience here, even if it is very much little, please do include there. Also, you can include your internships here and your volunteer works here. Number 5 is thesis work. What is the main thesis work that you have done in your final year, or as a specialization in your master's or bachelor's, etc. This is very important. If you have worked more than one project, you can also mention that I also have worked in this and blah blah. Number 6 is publications. If you have any type of publications, please do include. This will increase your chances of selection. On number 7 point is projects. The project and thesis work are same, so you can include projects. If you have extra projects, so you can include it here as an extra point. Number 8 is research direction. This is really important. You will always change your research direction and interest according to the needs of the uh, program that you are applying in. If you are applying in solar energy, so you will definitely write it that my research direction is solar energy, uh, photovoltaics, renewable energy, and sometimes like that. Write mainly 4 to 5 or 3 to 4 points, not much more than that. Number 9 is your skills. Please include your language skills and your computer skills here, and after that also include your research skills there, that how you can do your research. Do you write research? Have you the ability to write and review write a review, or write, or you can make your research proposal, etc. So please do write there. Number 10 is the certificates. It means the certificates that you have achieved in your career, the online certificates, the sports certificates, and this certificate that are related to your academics. So please include all these. Number 11 is achievements and honors. So what is achievements and honors? It is a scholarship that you have got, or some type of achievement, like I have got a recognition from this institute, I have got some type of stipend from this institute, or I have got laptop as a prize, I have got money as a prize, a book as a prize. So this type of small things you can include here. What is the number 12 point? The 12 point is the references, referees. Who are your referees? So you must include your 2 referees here. It should be one from your academic institution, or both from the academic institution. If you have any type of work experience in a good institution, you can also include a referee from your institution, like the CEO of your company, the manager of your company, or the boss of your company. So just write their name, their designation, their email, and their cell phone number. And number 13 point here is that you will make your CV maximum in 2 pages, not more than 2 pages, because the committee has to check all applicants, so they do not have that much time to evaluate your lengthy CV. So please make sure that you will have to make or create your CV a maximum of 2 pages, not more than that. So I wish you can get your desired place as you want to pursue your studies in that country. I wish you best of luck. So this is the end of this video. If you have any type of queries or any type of ambiguities in your mind, please feel free to ask. Sorry, I'm not a native speaker of English, and I'm trying my best to speak in English because most of the people in my subscription list are from other countries. So that's why I'm trying my best to represent or present my ideas in the official language of English. Thank you. Bye bye.